Right, good afternoon, or I would say it's good evening now. It's about 5:30. So good evening everyone. My name is Sandra. My channel is called Sussex Sandra. And welcome. How are we all doing? Are we all doing alright? Yeah? You sure? Alright, that's good. I'm filming a couple of videos this evening. So if you see me in the same outfit for the next few videos, don't worry. It's all because I'm filming. I'm having a filming binge at the moment, which is kind of good. When the energy levels are there, you got to do it, you know. Alright, so a few of you have asked me to film my daughter's Birchbox when she gets it. So a little bit of background. I used to be subscribed to Birchbox. For remember, we were getting Birchbox regularly. So every month we used to get a box. It used to cost, oh god, how much did it used to cost? Was it like £10.99, £11.99? It was one of the cheapest beauty boxes we were getting in the UK, and you would get sort of 5 sample size products in there. It used to be quite good because you used to get quite new products that are out there, the sample size, deluxe, mini size, or deluxe size of sort of that really good range of products. Then something happened. Ooh. So it used to be really, really good. But something happened, and I don't know, they went into some kind of financial problems, administration, I don't know what happened. So let's just say they disappeared for about 6 months or so, even nearly up to a year, but they disappeared for quite a while. And then they came back and they kind of sort of email the people who were subscribers and so said, right, we are coming back, do you want to continue? So they kind of gave you an option of either continuing the subscription or ending it. And I know a lot of people just ended it, said, nah, forget that, see you later guys, and that was it. So then so it went from £11.99, £12.99, however much the box was. I literally can't remember how much the box was, but it was a lot cheaper than it was now. And they said, okay, the price is going to be going up, and they're going to put the price up to £17.99. But it's going to be brilliant. We're going to have new box designs. We're going to have a lot more new products in there, and it's going to be really, really exciting. So like, yeah. So as I had a subscription, sort of like a contracted subscription for 6 months, I had to go ahead with it. So I stayed with them right until the end of my 6 months, and I ended it after that. And I literally ended it because the products we were getting were rubbish. It was a lot of the old products that we used to get sort of 2 years ago, 3 years ago from Birchbox. A lot of their own sort of brands, which is like Arrow brand, but just a lot of old products. And you knew they were old products because, you know, people could literally sort of date when they saw these products, like, oh, I got this in 2018, I got this in 2020. It was embarrassingly bad, and it was just the products were not good. It just was not good. So I decided to end my subscription. This was also happening in America. So in America, Birchbox kind of stopped, and then they came back. And that's where the difference is. Oh, and Birchbox also was in Europe as well, and they stopped and they came back as well. So the only country that seems to have kind of hasn't had any improvement seems to be the UK, because in Europe the Birchbox was taken over by another company, and they came out with a box called the GLOSSYBOX, I think it's called. You'll need to sort of check my mate there, Monique, so Dutch Monique, she unboxes the GLOSSYBOX, and it's really good. Same sort of price as Birchbox is now, but they get really good products, you know, really good products. In the States, they were getting a few old products at the beginning, but they've started, their boxes started to really pick up, and it's really good now. And now they're getting a lot more full-size products inside their boxes in the States. Same sort of price, so they had a price increase as well. But they're just getting a lot more decent products, up-to-date products. It's actually quite exciting, the Birchbox they get in the States. And us over here, we're still getting the same old shit. I'm just saying it, we're still getting the same old crap. So I kept my subscription for my daughter, because both of us used to be getting a box, because she enjoys the box, but even now she's getting a bit fed up with it as well. So I've had a look at this box, and I thought, oh dear, this is not good. The only difference is they've kind of made with the Birchbox here in the UK is that you can now pick 2 products in the box, but the products you're picking is still crap. It's still stuff we've seen before. It's not great, and my daughter is literally just not impressed with the box at all. So let me show you what she got inside her box. And I think she's only taken 1 product out, and I don't think I put that product here. What did she take out? I can't remember. So anyway, the box now is £17.99. You get a little card. Yeah. The theme this month was Hydration Haven, and more often than not the box comes really late in the month, so you'll get your box like the following month. So you'll get the May box in June. So I was really surprised when my daughter's box came in the month of May, came this week. And they've said here the products you'll love this month are, there's 2 products. One is from Sunny Isle Eyelash and Eyebrow Growth Serum, and the other product is from Sukin, which is a pink clay mask. So those are the 2 products they're kind of featuring this month. And yeah, let me show you what they got. So here's the product, the Eyelash and Eyebrow Serum from Sunny Isle. So my daughter's saying she has no interest in it. She doesn't need it. My daughter has got the most beautifully thick, long eyelashes. The kind of lashes that wave in the breeze. And she's got thick, gorgeous eyebrows. I mean, I've never had thick eyebrows, but I used to have healthy eyebrows until I had my health issues. And you know how it goes. You know the story from there. Told you many times before. So this is the eyelash and brow serum. So I said I'll take it off her. I mean, it's literally just got black castor oil, Jamaican black castor oil in there, which is good for just nourishing your brows and hair and everything as well. So I'll take that, and if I remember, I will use it. You also get a little sort of spoolie in there, so you can apply the products to your lashes and stuff. So this product I will keep. I will use that. And then the pink clay mask, this is what it looks like. Is that my daughter didn't want it, she's not interested in it at all. So it's just a pink clay facial mask, paraben free, and that's it really. I might take that. I might even put it in the giveaway box I've got at the moment. I might put it in the giveaway box actually. So that's the 2 products that they featured, and then there's 4 more products in here. So the other product is from Marcel. It's a BB cream, golden glow. My daughter has no interest in that, so I might put that in the giveaway box as well. Then we've got this from Adaptology Hydro Pump. I don't know what that says. I have no idea. What does that say? What does that say? It is a booster, Hydro Pump booster for all skin types. I have no idea what that is. I'll put it here so maybe you can read it. And this is what it looks like. No idea what that is. That might end up in the giveaway box too. I was going to say this looks like, as soon as I saw the back I thought it was Philip Kingsley. So this is Philip Kingsley again. What have we got from them? Philip Kingsley Styling, Polishing Serum, Finishing Touch. I think this is going to end up in the giveaway box too. What I'll do, I'll double check with my daughter first, and if she's okay with it, these will all be going in the giveaway I've got going for this month. And the final product was from Ciate London. Now I think this product was a choice product, and this is what she chose. Ciate London Dewy Sticks Luminous Highlighting Balm. No, at least it's from a decent brand, because this and the Sunny are the only kind of brands to me that are any decent. So this is the stick, pretty packaging, and that's what it looks like. So again, if my daughter doesn't want it, that will go in the giveaway as well. And that's it. That's the box this month. £17.99. I seriously don't believe it's worth it. So we got this, the Dewy Sticks, we got the pink clay mask, we've got the Philip Kingsley serum polishing products, we got this Hydro Pump oil thing, BB cream, and the Sunny Isle eyelash serum. So that's the products for May. £17.99. All the products there probably could be worth about £18, I would say, but it's only going to be worth it if you're going to use the products. And considering the only product that's going to be used, I think, in this box is this. I don't think so. I will have a look and see how much this is worth, the retail price of it, and I'll put that price up on the screen. But I think it's very, very disappointing. So, I mean, so what I've done, because my daughter does like receiving a beauty sort of bag thing that's hers. So what I've done, with Ipsy, I've got 2 accounts. So I received 2 glam bags. So with one of the accounts, the account where I get the glam bag and BoxyCharm only, I put that in her profile description. So I've put in her hair type, her skin colouring, because she's much lighter skin tone than me. My daughter's biracial, so I've put in all her skin things. I've put in a profile. She's not that comfortable with wearing makeup. She wears very little makeup, and so for her box she'd be happy to get a mixture of both things, skincare and makeup. Whereas in my box I said I want makeup all the way through, and obviously different hair type and different skin colouring. So she will be getting a glam bag which is on her profile, so I will feature that each month going forward. That's what I'll do. It won't happen in June because June bag is already being picked. It'll be from July. I'll feature the glam bag for my daughter and the glam bag for me, and chances are I'll probably be ending Birchbox unless they announce that they're going to start doing what they're doing with the American box, because the American Birchbox has really picked up a level, and why they can't do that here I don't know, especially when they're charging $17.99, which is more than Glossybox, more than Look Fantastic. They should be doing, and it's a big enough company, I'm pretty certain of it. Or they can do the change like they did in Europe, where they've kind of gone with different providers and stuff, and they've got the Blissin box. But they're going to have to do something with Birchbox, because people ain't going to be putting up with these crap anymore. These are all old products that have been around for bloody ages. Nothing new here at all. Absolutely nothing new. Very disappointing. But those are my thoughts. What do you think? Yeah? Alright guys, thanks very much for watching. We'll catch up with you very, very soon. I think my next video is going to be the Fenty Beauty. Alright, Fenty Beauty Declutter. Alright, take care. See you soon. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Bye.